Well, a stable future for Somalia will require political solutions, but also economic developments that seem unimaginable now. One glimmer of hope can be found in northwestern Somalia and the self-declared independent state of Somaliland. Dan Damon reports from Somaliland's capital, Hargeisa.
In the middle of a hot, dusty desert, you might start dreaming of a nice cold drink. This is better than that. It's a drinks factory in the middle of a desert, just outside Hargeisa in Somaliland. This dream has come true for a group of young investors who put $15 million into the first Somali Coca-Cola factory, even though Somaliland is unrecognized by any other nation. Somehow they persuaded the Coca-Cola company that a plant in the desert, in an unofficial country, next door to a 20-year civil war, was a great idea.
Well, it's a great place to invest if you're willing to take risks. The problems are lack of recognition, international recognition, so we don't have an official banking sector, a formal bank sector, and for businesses that's very important.
No banks doesn't mean no money. 1 million Somalis overseas send their earnings home using the Hawala money transfer system with agents around the world. This is the headquarters of the largest Hawala, called Dahabshil, in the center of Hargeisa. It's not mainstream banking, but it is computerized, transparent and trustworthy, according to its chief executive.
First of all, we select people. We go around, we ask people background, we even ask their families, because at the same time our staff, they don't want to lose their credibility.
Reliable money flows like that have helped Somaliland, without access to foreign investment, to dodge the disaster nearby in central and southern Somalia. Despite the decades of chaos and conflict, Somalis have kept trading too. This is Berbera, Somaliland's port, through which millions of animals are exported every year to supply Middle Eastern meat markets.
It is very, very important for this country. Livestock is a backbone of what this country sends, and it's actually the main earner for this country.
Somaliland is developing, but the rest of Somalia could still get in the way of that progress. They worry here that Al-Shabaab extremists who thrive on chaos will try to destroy Somaliland's peace and burgeoning democracy. Somaliland's lack of international recognition shows up here in rough roads. Other developing nations get foreign grant and loans in order to build nice new highways. Somaliland doesn't. And yet businesses thrive, the kind of self-reliance that shows what Somalis could achieve if they stopped fighting. Dan Damon, BBC News, Somaliland.